What's up, YouTube? Marco working back on the car today. Got some rotors and some brake pads.
You see? That's what I was talking about.
See?
It's like gone, mine's. So I was scraping so bad. It's just, if you put new brakes on there, it was just gonna like. My other one don't look that bad. Got my upgraded jack.
Huh? You need my jack?
Nah, this one gonna work. I'm just saying I need to buy a better one.
Stay on the sidewalk. No. No. Stay on the sidewalk. Go up and down. Just go up and down. Go have your fun. You got a big scratch? We got 20-year-old LaMarco changing his rotors and brake pads.
Marco, love you.
3-year-old Izzy trying to be in the mix.
You have to slide it over so everything how to come.
Yeah, definitely, because they coming. They are coming. It's a lazy Sunday, but they coming.
Marco, you ain't have no clothes on.
He got on just,
Mama, get out the street.
he got on just the right amount of clothes.
Got all them bouncing houses on the back of that bitch. Look,
got
that
it.
ain't nothing but some money. You hit me.
Yeah,
See all them goddamn jumpies he got on the back of
I
that?
see.
Yeah, look that time.
I did. They all rolled up in rows. I saw it as soon as it passed me behind me. I know you ain't gonna be able to see what no jumpy house
What I
look like.
do, man.
You ain't gonna be able to see what no jumpy
That
house
shit
look.
right there just in case the car ever fall off the jack.
Yeah, it
You
won't
gotta
fall to
try
the
it
ground.
won't get off the ground like that, but you at least be on there fuck that tire rim.
Yeah, you do always do that.
I'm trying to see if I got that little thing right here.
I was trying to get the dad to help out, but
that's what I'm
he's
talking
an
about.
old one.
Big
So
extension
we're not
thing
that-
to clip on it though. Oh, the big ring.
What's up, OGs? Y'all can go ahead, hit that like button, and subscribe. It's the new stuff.
I ain't get loose either way.
What way is supposed to be going? This is going tight both ways. Look at
Oh, cause I don't got that ratchet. Well, I call it do that every day.
Where is it?
It's somewhere around.
Going on YouTube University. Got Izzy fixing on her car. She'll be replacing. What are you replacing? The pedal?
Yeah.
Oh, good. She gonna replace the pedal.
Mom, Do this. Do like this.
Good job. Good job, mama.
Ma, give me the hope that go,
Let me